Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire.
What up, everybody? Welcome, and welcome again to Aubrey Action. Yeah, we're back with Kid Venda and RKV. Hey, I got that Mizo, the most anticipated song. Do you know Ulindera and then Balupanga Vendanga December? I also saw the performance in our it was a fire performance with lot of energy. But those visionary like a cover song, Musi Mizo Chikupo trajectory. But when you go take the volume. So the track is finally out. You can go and catch it. Hote una free download, una iTunes, una Spotify, like na YouTube. You can just go and check this one out, man. Usina makovi anga abachi performance yawe wrote Kid Venda. Yo, so you know what it is, man. So it's kind of like difficult for me to do this because you know, guys, so you guys in the first hey if I love the song of someone and I'm no. If the song is a hit, I'm gonna say it's a hit. If it's a flop, I'm gonna say it's a flop. But let's go. This means do not pass simply. I was like, pay for my performance. Okay, this song actually it's great. But what can I say, man? Let's go. So Big J beats, then Eta with the beats. Big J beats, then Eta with the beats. Big upstream. Let's go, man. Come back.
Mizo, the most relevant rapper in Mizo, they call Mr. Venda December. Mizo, Pololo Rapanga Chivenda. Mizo, let's pay respect to Mr. Venda December. Mizo, Mr. Mutuano. Mizo, Kona Nizonada. Mizo, I sing on the Miano. Mizo, you know Nizamutani. Mizo, I wanna aim for his tracks. He's the one putting Venda on the map. You know you need to fight him, but you're not bad.
Mizo na Makazi, they're putting Venda on the map. There's no Mizo, like is getting like I don't think that Mizo, ne? If you follow his Instagram, his Twitter and everything, ne? He's getting his level now, like Odzi kinda his level is going up each and every time. So it's not follow one guy you can to Instagram. This other guy, Mesh Beats, you know Mesh Beats, he followed Mizo ka Instagram. So that means like something big must be coming, you know what it is, man. Go and check his song with DJ Achim. Like, man, come on, man. Let's go.
December perspect. Ay, but you gotta move on. The care I could under third pony. The care I could put on. I even the put on. I didn't know what the machine. I can tell what you put on the fungani. I got a million and I wanna. 1 million of they want. Yeah, I got to make the song for a reason. I just wanna owe respect to the legends, but there's to play the night.
I had to pay respect to the legend while they're still alive. Come on, guys. I'm sure you guys are gonna pay respect to me. One day, need to pay respect to me when I'm still alive. And there's the best. But I'm sure in 5 years to come, you will say that guy did this and this. So yeah, let's push, man. Much respect for the people who are singing these songs for Mizophil or whatever. I mean, as a cash flow or a song about Mizophil, Rina Bamba or Matrix of Mizil, Mizophil. I don't know, remember. Chalo B, I can't remember, but Chintilizer, I think none of the Mizophil. So that just tell you how good Mizophil is and how great he is. He's the king, guys. Let's go.
The most relevant rapper in Mizo, they call Mr. Venda December. Mizo, Mizo, let's pay respect to Mr. Venda December. Mizo, Mr. Mutuano. Mizo, Kona Nizonada. Mizo, I sing on the Miano. Mizo, Mizo, my African dream. Mizo, the Mizo album. Mizo, the most relevant weapon in the Mizo. Liko amba Mr. Venda ngari zamba Mizo. Kulolo rapanga chifunda Mizo. Despero spatu Mr. Venda ngari zamba Mizo. Mr. Mutu wangu Mizo. Undona nizonda kari Mizo. Asinono miyano Mizo. Ninga mwitani Mizo.
Mizo, 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 Mizo. Yeah, the song is that short, guys. 2 minutes only. So yeah, that was Root, Kid Venda and RKV. Ako that one Mizo. Track yo produce on the Big J beat. So my name was beat. It's a nice track, nice jam. Arungorapa rufupi zvavudi atikotoda ruvambedza nadzimwe dzonovawo zamizil because obviously my favorite nekaita nyimbo zite ndorabhamba mizil mizil ngabhamba like so far it's my favorite but nyangototi kobambedza nedzimwe dzinobvawo namina zvote because I know it's gonna cause havoc to other people but I enjoy this track, man. It's a nice track, a beautiful track. I love this track, in fact, and yeah, man, it's one of my playlist, one of my boy Road Kid Venda. Congratulations, my boy. Big ups, man. That's something Amanda Korimbo. That's a nice track. And I'm not just going to visa. I don't remember the zone. And I hope, like, come on, guys. 2021, this guy, you know, you have to work this year. Overcome to now, like, the next year, it's time to work, man. Like, also, Operation will be working. If you don't believe me, check out the promo because track equal Vanga the 5. January ndikore nikadido dance nido dipinanga vent rap kananga muzika wa rap Operation equator muzika the whole world. We're not doing music for Venda people only, we're doing music for each and everyone who loves music. That's it. Let's go. Just check out the promo there.